I ended up putting the third 10,500 BTU Sharp in at this house in the living room. This is the one I replaced the fan motor bearings in, and it seems to be running pretty nicely. I did have the Fedder's 7,500 BTU in there for a little while, and that was kind of undersized for that room. It definitely worked and it cooled it down, but this cools it down a lot faster and keeps it cooler. So I'll show the inside of that in a little while. The compressor is cut off at the moment, so I'll have to show that running later. Alright, let's turn this one on. Super humid today. And the one up here was already on when I got here. It's running great. Leave it on medium. And just because why not, I'll start up one of the 8500 BTU Sharps that's installed. This is the only 8500 BTU that's being used right now. We'll take a look at it outside as well. It may have been kind of hard to hear this one because of the fact that there is a lot of water sloshing around in it, and it's up pretty high, so can't really get up close to it. But I'm going to turn this one off. The rest of them are staying on though. And then here's the upstairs 10,500 running again. Very quiet, very smooth. Let's see if we can start the compressor on this one now. It must have just shut off again because it's not, it would have started right up. And now we got our compressor running. So I'll take the camera outside and we'll listen to it from out there.